Good afternoon, Hornets. We've been getting some awesome feedback, some great videos back of players doing the challenges. Thank you for doing the challenges. It's really awesome to see you guys out there crushing it. So, looks like the weather turned since the Maryland run. Getting some feedback on workouts you guys can do at home, and this one is definitely a workout you guys can do at home. But kind of pumped us up about the inclement weather feedback because, you know, I remember in the 2014-2015 season, you know, we started and there were 20-foot snowbanks all around here. And then in the same season, we had a 96-degree game. So, you know, this is a spring sport played in the elements. So as Hornets, we're tough, and lacrosse players, you guys are about 4 times tougher. So we're just going to get after it in the yucky cold, but this is definitely one you can do at home. This one was sent in, so kind of looking forward to getting this one in. We're going to do some laps on the hundreds right now just to warm up, and we'll be back for the workout in just a few minutes. Woo! Oh, here we go. All right. We just got nice and warm, and we're ready to get after this one. So this one was sent in. So if you want, we can call this guy 4.2.0 because this is day 4, and we're just going to crush another one out in the elements. This one's a little drippy because of the weather, so we're just going to read it off to you. So it's 5 rounds for time, 10 push-ups, 15 sit-ups, 20 air squats. So this is going to be another perfect one for modifications if you need to. My buddy Bree Dog here, she has some sweet hardware in her back. She had her spine fused due to scoliosis. So minor setback, she's crushing it. Again, just an absolute honey badger, so keep your eyes out for this one here. All right, cool. We're just gonna get going. All right. Handy dandy Tyler. You ready, buddy? Good luck. You got the reverse crunch down? Yeah. All right, let's go. good because I hauled ass. Sure that's fine, I was not gonna lie. All right, awesome. So that was 4.2.0. Again, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for crushing the daily workouts, and just be on the lookout for another one tomorrow. Go Hornets.